Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today we are talking about the POCO X2. It finally got unlocked. I have flashed a custom ROM on it 2 to 3 days back, and yes, this is the oxygenos port based on the OnePlus 7 Pro by Team Warp. Now, I was initially going to do an install video on this of how to install it, because to be very honest, although they are trying their best to bring this amazing ROM to the POCO X2, the way you have to flash this is really complex. There are a lot of fixes that are included. You will need a computer. So first of all, watch this complete video. This is a quick review. This is not like the full review. This is a quick review of what I have observed, what are the good things and what are the bad things. And by the end of the video, if you're still interested in going ahead and installing this ROM on your POCO X2, let me know in the comment section. I'll make a dedicated video which will be around 15 minutes, because then I'll have to cover each and every step so that you guys don't have a problem. But let's quickly have a look at this ROM. This is the first ever custom ROM video on smartphone tutorials. So a lot of stuff, is coming on the POCO X2 because we've just added this device. But before we get into all of that, if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a video. In the description of each and every video, you will find the link to our Telegram community. You can go ahead and join us there, chat with us, get your questions answered, find the download links and a lot of other things. And last but not the least, if you think the hard work is worth the effort, please click on the join button and support the channel. Now, without further ado, hello awesome people, welcome to Smartphone Tutorials. My name is Kailash. Let's get going. Now, to begin with, this looks amazing. Let me tell you that oxygenos on any phone, if ported properly, works amazing. This is what stock Android should be, if you will. But yeah, we have oxygenos, so I'm pretty happy with that. Now you do see that it says processor none, 664, OnePlus 7 Pro, and build number is OnePlus 7 Pro McLaren edition. This is the development team, Team Warp, and the I was going to say MIA version. The oxygenos version is 10.3.7. Now we do have the fingerprint scanner working. We do have face unlock working, and we do have something which allows you to set 96 Hz as the refresh rate as well. Now, when I saw a couple of videos on this particular ROM, I did, come to know that it comes with PUBG at 90 FPS by default. You don't have to make any changes. It did work for me initially, but then after that, what did I do? I don't know. I've not been able to get PUBG to work at 90 FPS at all. So I will be doing a gaming live stream today or tomorrow on this if I manage to get it working. Otherwise, I'll do it on another ROM for this particular device. But talking about the security, your safety net will pass just fine. Even if you go to, say, the Google Play Store and you go to settings over here, you will see that the device is certified. So your banking applications and all should not have a problem. I haven't tested, Amazon HD playback on Amazon Prime, which is sort of important for a lot of you guys. But you do have the fingerprint fix. You do have the notch fix over here. So most of the things are working. But if you will notice over here, the timer, the time or the clock in the top left hand corner, when you pull the status bar down, sort of goes for a toss. So that still needs some work. I would say this is an amazing ROM. Okay, I have flashed ANX camera and it absolutely works like a champ. There is no problem with the ANX camera at all. So the process is a little complex, but once you get everything right, you will have a combination of a ROM which is amazing. It gives you decent battery life. Fast charging works as expected. In fact, I think I might have done a Geekbench score. Not on this device, sorry about that. So yeah, maybe when I do a full review of this particular ROM, if I ever do that, or probably I'll choose to wait till the time they actually come up with another build which is a little more stable. Just flash one zip and you should be good to go. But don't discredit this ROM based on what I'm saying. I'm saying from a layman's point of view. If you ask me, this is a very good build. They've done a splendid job when it comes to porting the features and everything else. The OnePlus launcher works fine. The side screen works fine. There is no lag. There is absolute smoothness is what you have. Everything works as expected. There are not many stutters. Wi-Fi calling works. You have the screen recorder. You have screen casting and all the other things. One major, bummer here is MTP mode. That means when you connect your phone to the PC for USB debugging or transferring data from the internal storage, that feature is not working. But what I can say is, if you actually go ahead and play PUBG on it, you will still find that compared to MIUI, this actually works way better. You do have the gaming mode over here with, you know, the Fnatic mode and all the tools which tell you your device's performance and stuff. So, you know, more or less this will transform your POCO X2 into a OnePlus device. That is what it is intending to do, and it does that pretty well, especially when you have the face unlock working, you have the side mounted fingerprint scanner working, you have fast charging working, Wi-Fi calling working, you know, video recording is just fine, games work fine. So, you know, I don't see a reason why you would have a problem using this ROM as a daily driver. The only small complaint I have, not exactly a complaint but a request for the development team, is if you can simplify the process of, you know, installing this ROM like other devs had done on the K20 Pro, the POCO F1. The X2 community could really use that help. But in this short review, all in all, what I would like to say is this is definitely a daily driver if you do the installation properly, step by step. And again, you know, if you want me to make that video, let me know in the comment section. I'll make a detailed step-by-step video of how you can actually go ahead and flash it. And if we can have this ROM in the form of a TWRP flashable zip, that would be excellent. All in all, this is an amazing ROM. You can go ahead and use it. Almost all the features are working. I will do a live stream if it allows me to work at, you know, 90 FPS. Let me know in the comment section what actually you do think about this short review, and do you want to know more about this ROM, like a full review or not. Until the next one, this is Kailash signing off at Smartphone Tutorials. Keep smiling. Take care. Goodbye.